Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to integrate Trello with Discord. If you're looking to streamline your workflows and keep your team in sync, connecting these two platforms can be a game changer. Imagine getting real-time updates on your projects right within your Discord server, keeping everyone in the loop without having to switch between apps constantly. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to making this integration happen. First things first, let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to Trello's website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be presented with several options to sign in. For ease of use and to speed things up, I recommend choosing the Google Sign-In option. Select your Google account, and this will give you seamless access to your Trello boards. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the Trello board that you want to integrate with Discord. This board is where all the integration magic will begin. On the board's page, look for the Power-Ups button. Click on it. Power-Ups in Trello are essentially add-ons that enhance Trello's core functionality, offering additional features and capabilities. In our tutorial today, we're focusing on how to use these power-ups to connect Trello with Discord. Next, you'll want to click on Add Power-Ups. This action will bring up a handy search bar. Type Discord into this search bar, and you'll see a list of power-ups associated with Discord pop up. From this list, you need to select Discord Notifications. This specific power-up is vital because it enables Trello to send updates straight to your Discord server, ensuring your team stays informed. Once you've found the Discord Notifications power-up, click on Add. At this point, you're about halfway through the integration process. The following step involves configuring your newly added power-up. Locate the Settings option and click on it. Here, you'll need to authorize your Trello account to communicate with Discord. Click on Authorize Account, and a prompt will guide you through the necessary steps. After completing the authorization, the next thing you'll want to do is log in with your Discord credentials. Click on the Login with your Discord account link, which will take you directly to Discord's login page. Enter your Discord username and password as you normally would. After logging in, you'll be prompted to authorize Trello to have access to your Discord account. Once you've authorized Trello, you're nearly finished. The next step is to choose the Discord server where you want Trello notifications to be sent. A list of your available servers will appear. Select the one you desire. Once you've made your selection, click on the Connect a Server button. This step officially links your Discord server with your Trello board. To wrap everything up, make sure to click Save to apply all your settings. And there you have it. Your Trello and Discord integration is now live, meaning any updates made on your Trello board will be instantly sent to your Discord server. This powerful connection can significantly boost your team's communication and productivity. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to integrate Trello with Discord. If you want more videos like how to integrate Trello with Discord, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.